What a hearing. We're asking a victim about the laws and the Criminal Investigation Division. I'm going to call the Attorney General, Mukasey, who started out there was going to be a new, clean deal. We're going to pull this thing back together. And, I'm embarrassed that the Department of Justice can't even come forward. I want him to start talking about these questions that we're asking the witness. Are they coordinating? Is the Criminal Investigation Division working carefully? They're real efficient. Yeah, real efficient. We can't. I'm going to call the Secretary of Defense too, Gates. We're acting like this is a case of first impression, that this very difficult, complex stuff we're working on here. And we got tens of thousands of people over there. Goodness knows how many people have preceded Miss Jones in this kind of tragedy. And we're acting like this is something very heavy. We're judges, we're lawyers, we're professors, and this is an absolute disgrace. The least we could do is have people from the Department of Justice and the defense over here talking about how we're going to straighten out the system right away. You don't even need a hearing to do that. They should have responded to their Congressman Poe immediately and said, let's clean this up right away. Did they do that? No, they're stiffing him. They're stiffing all the Jamie Joneses that have come and gone before, and they're stiffing us right now. And as one who encourages and works on the bipartisanship of the Judiciary Committee, and that's been my goal since I took over in January of this committee, I am so pained by this big deal, complex law, coordination, expert investigators and all that, and nothing is happening. And so I'm going to hope that we can do this without having to have countless numbers of hearings where we keep repeating the same thing. We're all in agreement that this is a mess that's got to be straightened up right away. And I am really ashamed, as someone who's been in the service in 3.5 years and served in Korea, and I know what it's like being over there. Miss Jones, that was a great idea for the foundation. Tell us a little bit about it.
I had to do it. I had to do it for other victims. I want to have the resources readily available at people's fingertips who are going through this. I mean, there has to be a resource, a refuge for victims. And if I couldn't find out where to go, I tried through the Assistant United States Attorney, then perhaps I could help them, at least find therapists, doctors, whatever I could do.
Well, that's so courageous. You know, as you know, this could break up, a normal person. You're tough. You're patriotic. And I'm just so proud that thanks to you and your Congressman Poe, we're going to turn this thing around. You can bank on that.